Hey guys, me here, Mars Bar, and today we are playing Will You Press the Button? So it says, you become featured in every magazine, top 50 women article this year. Your body will look worse in a year, and tabloids will cover it every month for 2 years. No. It's like doing that. Wait. How do you? Okay, so I will. Wait. I will not. Okay, you became. Okay. Okay. Next one says, you can use Fool for free for 10 years, but you have to raise 10 children at once. No thank you. Will not. Okay. You can redesign yourself whenever you want, like in The Sims. Character creation. Oh, that's cool. You can change. You can't change you hands. You can't change you hands, which become super hairy, and you can't see the skin through all of the hair. I don't think that's a good idea. Okay, next one. You can bring anyone back to life, but however someone else you love will die. So you can bring anybody else back to life, but whoever you love will die. So I don't think so. No. Okay. You can fly whenever you want, but you can never stop moving. Well, flying is a pretty awesome superpower, I'd say, but I don't think I want to, like not stop moving, so you'd be like, look at the finger, like you'd keep on moving and you can't stop, so no thank you. Okay. You can read minds, but you can never forget the negative things about things others think about you. Yes, actually. Because you see, you can like help people if they're thinking about bad things and if they're having a bad day, and yeah, you to do anything you want, but every time you do this thing I loved one day, every time you do this thing, a loved one dies. No way. Not happening. Okay. We're skipping that one. That is a bad example for the little ears listening. You can teleport anywhere in the world, but every time you can teleport, you must walk down a long hallway full of creepy clowns that grope you. No, I hate clowns. Clowns are like my fear. Like, I'm serious. Okay. So the first one is, you can end depression, other mental illness, and physical illnesses forever, as well as stop cruelty, you will suffer all of these, or you will suffer all of these things. But you will, so it's saying, I don't know, so just no. No. The person you love most will love you too. The person you love most will love you too, but you two will have a car accident at the age of 40 and that person dies. I do not like that. Like, I don't want to lose anybody, so like, I don't think so. So, have enhanced seeing and hearing, like have enhanced seeing, hearing, smelling, and touch senses, but lose the sense of taste. That is so bad. Like, you can't taste how pizza tastes, burgers taste, like life tastes. You don't know how life tastes then. That sounds weird. Okay, whatever. No, I will not press the button. It's like that. Okay, you will have the best marriage ever, but you will no longer have any friends except your family. I like having my friends, so no. You were given the love of your life, but your personal memories are completely wiped. Knowledge, intelligence remain. No, there was this really sad movies where, like, you like, there's this girl and she forgets every, like, 5 minutes, and it's so sad with Adam Sandler in it, so no. Okay. You can have the car of your dreams, but you have to share it with the person you hate most. I think I could press that. Like, it's not as bad. Like, me personally, I just ignore that person who I hate and just act like normal me. So, yeah. You'll have the latest Apple stuff for the rest of your life for free, but 99% of all people hate Apple products. I'm clicking that. I don't care. Okay. So guys, today, this is the end of my video, and we were playing, if you would press the button, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Bye!